Welcome to episode 42. Mellowest of greetings. I still have not resolved my starter problem, or my ignition problem, so we'll continue with non-electrical stuff this week, namely the fuel system, which is just simply tank back on, fuel pipes back on, back into the carbs. Oh, and I'll put the exhaust headers back on as well in preparation for the bike starting. So let's just get on and do that. Okay, time to reinstall a petrol tank and fuel supply. So I'll start with my petcock installation. These just come straight off it and they're going to go straight back on it again. I probably should get new filters, to be fair. But these seem okay. Yeah, should maybe get new filters, but that's for next time. Right now, let's just get the fuel back on it. Let's get the thing fired up. Okay. So literally, they just screw straight back in there, like so. Might put the tiniest smidge of copper grease on the outside of that though. Just saying. Probably copper grease though, it's a little bit greasy. I mean, where I've put that there'll be no chance of any fuel contamination, so it's all good. Okay, this nut's bigger than any spanner I've got, so I'll have to use the old adjustable, which I'm not a fan of, to be fair. Let's do the other one. Bit of zoomage. Oh, great. That spun around as well, which I don't really want it to. Is it there? Yep. Oh, get some leverage on it. There you go. Okay, just reattach the HT leads. Before I attach the tank. Fuel system. These are the bits that I took off the old this original fuel system that I took off to make my mock-up a few shows ago. I bought some new pipe. Where's my pipe? It's there. So my task really is to reassemble this system using new pipe. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to keep the fuel filters in line. Ideally should have put new ones in, but I'm not going to at this stage anyway. Might revisit that, but in the spirit of time I'm going to just replace this OEM setup with new pipes. Leaving the fuel filters in line because of the crap in the tank. So I can start by just cutting all these things to size. So one that big, or rather two that big, I would say, one on either side. And given that this is already on a pipe, I'll just make that one that length. Is that right? Yep. Okay. So it's that and that. We want some short ones that are that long. That's one side. We need to do the the bridging piece. Get that off there. That'll be a bugger. Let me have a go at doing that. Right, bit of snipping later. Broadly that. Let's assemble. Okay, I haven't filmed the struggle with the pipes, but I think you get the drift. Right, job done. Now you'll notice I've not put any of these clips on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the bike as is, just so I can do a test fire and all that good stuff, and I will order some nice new stainless steel ones and fit them later. Let's put this on the bike. That's fully on. Good. Okay, in case you're wondering what that paste is I'm using, it's this stuff. A friend of mine who's an ex-BMW mechanic says this is the gear to put on the star nut on the exhaust to stop it from seizing up. The other stuff is all rubbish, apparently. But you've got to wear gloves when you put it on because it burns your skin off. So, you've been warned. Well, there you go. Short one this week. Hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. You need to like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. There's a bell thing you hit to get alerts as well. Do all that. Questions, comments, more than welcome. I try and answer them all. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.